If you enjoy painting your home or furniture, and if you've ever bought any paint in your life, then I'm sure you've heard about VOCs before. But what are VOCs and why is it important that we think about them? In this video, I want to go over some of the technical jargon and some of the reasons why you should be concerned about VOCs in paint. So what does the abbreviation VOC stand for? It stands for Volatile Organic Compound. And these are gases that are released into the air from products such as paint, cleaning products, and even cosmetics. The concern is that they can have health effects such as nausea, dizziness, headaches, but they also contribute to this formation of smog into the atmosphere. So those are the reasons government agencies are concerned about VOCs and they want to limit the amount of VOC exposure. Every country, every state, every province has their own regulation for the limit of VOCs in each product. There is not an overall standard for when a product can be called zero VOC, ultra low VOC, or low VOC. There's one government body in the US, the EPA, that says when a product is below 5 grams per liter of VOCs, then it can be referred to as zero VOC. As you might know, there are colorants used in paint. Not everyone realizes though that most of these colorants that are used in paint contain high levels of VOCs. So sometimes paint companies would claim their product is zero VOC, but then the colorants they put in it are actually high in VOCs. So there have been several lawsuits in the US, and the conclusion is that you are not allowed to call a paint zero VOC if the pigments in it are not zero VOC. So pigments are definitely important when it comes to VOC levels. So what has Country Chic Paint done? Well, we have sent our products off for independent product testing according to European standards. Every product that is sold on the European market has to undergo this test. That test is not required in the US or in Canada, but it is a very accurate test to determine VOC levels. So we wanted to test according to this highest VOC standard. So if you go to our website, you can actually read these reports, and that is something that I haven't seen any other boutique furniture paint company do. You don't have to take our word for it. You can actually go to countrychicpaint.com/VOCs and read these test reports. We have also done further testing to see if our products would be safe for children's toys. Out of this test came that yes, our all-in-one decor paint is indeed safe to be used on children's toys, which means that it's great to use on your children's furniture without any concerns about possible heavy metals or lead, cadmium, any of that. So see it for yourself, go to our website and read these reports. Now, if you buy other paint products, I would encourage you to please ask them for their method of testing, because if they have done no testing and they simply claim to be zero VOC, then you might not want to take their word for it. You might want to dig a little bit deeper. With Country Chic Paint, you know you are using a paint you can trust and it's actually tested, and you can find the results online. Thank you so much for watching, and if you ever have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. You can find our contact information on our website, and we are always happy to answer any questions. Thank you for watching and happy painting!